What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So check this out. In this video, we are going to be removing the Plasti Dip off of my C6 Corvette, the emblems. And I'm going to show you how I use what I do to get it off quick and fast. Now, is it the best way? No, it is not, but it works. But there is some downsides to it, and we'll get to that. So here's what I'm talking about. As you can see, this side emblem is actually chrome underneath. And since I got these wheels, I want to go back to chrome and see what that's going to look like. So we're going to remove this Plasti Dip. Now, I've already done the other side, but we're not going to show you that just yet. Here's what I'm going to use. Carb spray. If you don't have carb spray, If you don't have carb spray, brake cleaner should do it as well. There's a couple methods you can do. You can rub it off with a towel. That's what I did on the other side. Or you can use the power washer, but I found that the power washer don't always work. It's not as efficient. So we're just gonna use the carb spray. I can't talk today. We are just going to use a towel, a shop towel, to wipe it off. So let's do it. All right, here we go. Got the carb spray on it. And dude, look how easy that comes off. You're gonna have to spray it a couple times, so make sure you have enough carb spray because it dries so quickly. Ooh. But as you can see, it's coming off pretty good. Probably can even just kind of start peeling it. Normally, if you put enough layers on here, you should just be able to peel it off once you get it started. Let's see this, because I would prefer to do that. Just like I thought it's not going to peel off inside the emblems. Ooh, that's peeling off good. All right, so I'm not going to keep boring you as I do this because it's still a process, but we'll come back after I'm done so I'll show you what it's gonna look like. All right, so we've almost got it out. Now I'm just getting it out in the little cracks. And this is where it becomes a little bit tedious, because if you put that carb spray, this is the bad part that I was telling you. If you put that carb spray in those crevices, it will rub out the red. So you're gonna have to touch that up at some point. So, but there may be another way you can do it too. You can also, if you feel comfortable doing this, because you may not, you can take a flathead and lightly come up through here, especially on the chrome, and get it out that way. Yeah, no, you got that. It's only a little bit left. Put some more car spray in it. And I know somebody gonna say, what are you doing? And I'm gonna say, what I want to. But anyway, let me finish getting this done. All right, so we got the car spray dried off. Wasn't supposed to rain today, but looks like it's going to. So this is what it looks like. Notice, this is what I was talking about. See? So I'm gonna have to touch that up with red again. But that's a fairly easy fix, to say the least. So we're gonna take some red and fix that red up, probably fix that one up. But we got the Plasti Dip off. Does it look any better? Looks different. I think that probably goes a little bit better than the black, but we're gonna leave everything else black for sure. All right, I still need to do a little bit more cleaning. We're gonna get that done. Just wanted to make this quick little video to show you what I do to clean Plasti Dip off of these emblems. This your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.